Then part B says, summarize 5 considerations an organization should make while selecting the technology for virtual meetings. Considerations an organization should make while selecting technology for virtual meetings. Virtual meetings are meetings that are held online, or we can say are meetings that are held on digital platforms as opposed to physical meetings. These are meetings held on digital platforms. So what are the considerations an organization should make while selecting technology for such meetings? The first consideration is accessibility and compatibility. Accessibility and compatibility. The selected technology should be easily accessible to all participants, regardless of their location or device. The technology should also be compatible with different operating systems and devices to ensure seamless connectivity and participation. Accessibility and compatibility. So these are 2 considerations, 2 in 1. Accessibility and compatibility. Security and privacy. Virtual meetings should involve the sharing of sensitive and we know that when meetings are held online, there could be confidential information that is shared. There could be sensitive information that is shared while holding virtual meetings. So the chosen technology should provide robust security measures such as encrypted communications, such as access controls, in order to protect against unauthorized access or data breaches. So the technology that is selected when that is chosen when holding virtual meetings should be one that is secure and provides for privacy. Another consideration is reliability. Reliability, we can say, and stability. Reliability and stability. The technology should have a reliable infrastructure and a stable network to ensure uninterrupted and smooth virtual meetings. There ought to be stable network connectivity to ensure uninterrupted and smooth virtual meetings. And it should be able to handle the expected number of participants and provide a high quality audio and video experience. Reliable and stable. If it's a meeting of, say, 500 shareholders, then the technology selected should be one that can accommodate the 500 shareholders. You don't go for one that accommodates 40. It ought also be reliable. it should be reliable enough to ensure that there is no interruptions during the meetings. Then there are also collaboration features. Collaboration features. The technology should offer collaborative features that facilitate effective communication and interaction among participants. And that may include screen sharing, they may include the chat functions, it could include polling, as well as document sharing capabilities in order to enhance engagement and productivity during the meeting. There ought to be collaborative features. Other than the audio, there should also be other features like the one that allows screen sharing or information to be shared or documents to be shared and so on. 5. User friendliness and technical support. User friendliness and technical support. The technology should be user friendly. The technology should have what we call intuitive interface that allows participants to easily navigate and use its features. Additionally, adequate technical support should be made available to assist participants in troubleshooting any issues that may arise during the virtual meeting. So these are 5 considerations an organization should make while selecting technology for virtual meetings. 1, accessibility and compatibility. Number 2, security and privacy. Number 3, reliability and stability. 4, collaborative features. 5, the technology should be user-friendly and one that supports, that enables the participants to get technical support. 5 considerations, 5 marks. 5 considerations, 5 marks.